Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out in this situation a pretty logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points on the open, and all of a sudden you look at where the price managed to fight back. Don't get me wrong, there's still plenty of work to be done, but still where it was to where it is right now, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has definitely made a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 46 cents. Why is 46 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength. So a bounce that's actually a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is actually a bounce, it's going to keep on making progress and not go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So think about 46. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, however, in this situation, behaves like this before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress as 46 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, right around the 48 cent mark, slightly above 48 is going to be that key level. You can see several times throughout the course of the day the price got right around that general area, and the price can never quite push through it. So that'll be public enemy number one going into Thursday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.